What's going on YouTube? Brandon LaChuga here. Thought I'd make a quick video. Just wanted to show you. We're actually in reverse. This is the Ram Rebel 2017. He needs to clean his backup mirror. But I just wanted to show you some of the front seat stuff. There's going to be a few videos I'm going to do. I already did a walk around. I'm going to do a front seat video and then a back seat video. And then I'll do the engine and stuff. So just to show you really quick what this 2017 Ram Rebel comes with. This is one of the top of the line ones. You can see it's got the sunroof. You can close it, you can open it. Oh yeah, the dash, that's gonna have to be a whole nother thing because there's a bunch that goes on in there. So just with this front stuff, this is the window for the back window. I know, don't tell me how to do my videos. Sorry about that, I'm just joking. She's trying to be helpful, that's my mother. But this button right here does the back window. That lets you open up the back, and then right here, as he is pointing out, you can open the sunroof all the way, or you can close it, and then there's a middle button that you can hit that just opens the crack to vent it out. Yeah. Yeah. So right here, you can set up 3 different garage code openers. Right there, you can set up. So if you have 3 separate garages, you can. You're blinding the camera. So if you have 3 different separate garage door openers, you can sync it. We've synced his with his old garage. Up in here you have the steering wheel warmer, which comes on. You can preset that to come on when you start the car. You have the driver's seat warmer, 2 different levels. There's 1, 2, and then off. And then there's one over here for my seat. Same thing. It's cool because you have this plug-in right here for an air mattress or whatever you want, but I always assume it's for an air mattress because I'm just always thinking about camping stuff. So you can put in a regular charger right there, which is convenient if you have your cell phone charger on you and you don't have a USB port with you, or not a USB, cigarette lighter one. You can do right there. So yeah, there's a lot of different options. This is specifically designed to hold phones, as I'll show you. There you go. So this holds your phones from keeping it from sliding all around. Really nice. That's a convenient addition they did. What's also nice is all this red trim is on the doors, on the vents. It matches the exterior and all the interiors, all matching. As you can see, the red leather seats matches the red trim. Everything's very matchy in this car. We also have this glove box. You have the top glove box that has a light on it, you know, just keep insurance and stuff. You have the bottom box down here. We've got 2 storages. There's a storage pocket right here, and he keeps the GMC paper right there. So I don't know why he has GMC in the Ram, but there's lots of storage compartments down here. There's 2 more cup holders. There's 2 right here. He's got 2 on his side. There's this little storage compartment, and then that's the top clip. As you can see, if you do the bottom clip, it's an even bigger one. So lots and lots of storage in this car, which is really nice. It's got the nice Ram emblem right there, all the matching red stitching all around and everything. Don't worry, I'll get to that. Yeah, as you can see, so this is the front defroster, the rear defroster, outside air, AC. What's nice is the Ram did the nice little setup where the knob, it's just really nice. It's the park and drive. It's just a switch. As you can see, there's the 2-wheel drive button, 4-wheel, and everything. One of my favorite features about this car is right here. If you go to the main menu, let me see what the main menu is. Oh, there you go. Yeah, you have to click apps. But one of my favorite things is when you're driving, you can click the backup camera. I know it's hard to see. But you can click the backup camera to see your surroundings. So when you try to get over, if you're hauling a trailer, that's really nice. All of this is touchscreen, which I really like. Tons and tons of things. You know, you can go to the heated seats. You hit this button up here, it turns on all of them. You can watch. I'll hit the button again, and activates the heated seats. So it's really nice. Everything's touchscreen. Makes it real convenient, really safe. You know, you have settings. You have your Wi-Fi hotspot right here, which is really cool. All of this, just so much information. Driver's seat, heated steering wheel, your media, so you can hook up your phone, the climate control up here, the the mirror dimmers. It's incredible. All this stuff that is on this car, it's just insane. Sorry, I'm trying to turn the heat up really fast. It's cool. It can show you the temperature. You can turn it down. You can turn it up. Here's how to adjust the heat. This knob controls it, but you can also go to climate right there, and you control it. It's just incredible, all the different technology that's in this truck. Well, one of the really cool things about this truck too is when you put it in tow mode, there's a tow setting that you can adjust. I think it's, oh man, well, the tow mode is down here, but once you hit tow mode, you can go into this screen in here and activate if your trailer has brakes on it, you can sync it with the car so they brake at the same time. And it's right here. Here's the adjusters for it. I'm not going to touch it since he's driving, but it's incredible. So this car has so many different features. Like I said, I just wanted to do 2 videos of the front, or a video of the front, video of the back, and then another day I'm going to do a video of the entire steering wheel, the whole setup that they have in there. He's hauling right now. He's going 76. But yeah, so it's just really cool. All the different features this thing has. Navi, you got maps, emergency locations, where to, you can just, it's incredible. You can set up your favorites, you can pick cities and stuff, so it's really cool. I'm pretty sure there's even one for food in here. I know it can go to like restaurants and stuff, so it's just crazy. They try to make everything you can think of with this car. And like I said, one of my favorite things is the backup cam, just because that's really nice to be able to see when if you want to get over to switch lanes. There's no one behind you, no one beside you. Obviously the truck also lets you know if you're pulling up next to somebody. So yeah, this car is great. Like I said, it's got, I forgot to touch on this, but it right here has the USB port, it's got the aux port, and then another cigarette lighter kind of thing. It's just amazing all the features this thing has in the front seat. Like I said, you can store a bunch of stuff in there, lots of storage on both sides. Oh, and one of my favorite things too is it, you know, you have the standard what each side is, you know, his temperature, my temperature. Outside temperature. Yeah, you have the outside temperature right there, and it says 18 degrees outside. Tells you that you're going north, the time, your heated seat, and everything. So again, if his steering wheel was off, that button would go off, as you can see right there. Yeah, it's just incredible all the features this thing has. The technology that they invested into this truck was really amazing. Actually, it was really quite genius what they put in here. All the little storage units, all the pockets, the design, the stitching, the leather, even down to the, if you watch the video of my walk around, the seats, the back of the seats have the tread of the tire that's actually on this vehicle right now on the seats. So it's really cool. And again, this is just like I said, I'm just trying to do what we can do right now, and then another day I'll go over the steering wheel, and another day I'll do the back seat. I've already done the walk around, so check that video out. But yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Like I said, there's tons of things. I'm probably even forgetting a bunch of stuff. I guarantee I am, but it's just incredible all the things that you can do on this car. Actually, there's not a phone connected right now. I know that. Sorry. But yeah, so thank you for watching 303 Streets. I hope you like this video. Sorry it's not as bright as what I usually like to do the videos in, but thanks for checking out the video. Like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions if you have any. Thank you. This is Brandon Lechuga.